So today I'm going to show you the safest product you can use for your first stage of detailing, citrus pre-wash. This is a really good product to use if you already have waxes or sealants applied to your car, as it's super safe, safer than snow foam, and if you're really, precious about your waxes and stuff, you want to keep them long lasting as possible. This is a great option. It breaks down dirt and grime very easily, and it can be used on engine bays, door shuts, trims, overall paintwork, which is what I think most people use it for. Anything really, so versatile. Just chuck this in a mixing bottle, set your dilution rates, and you're good to go.
Citrus pre-wash is the perfect alternative to snow foaming, which can be messy and very time consuming. It's also great for those who do not have a drive or a pressure washer, so there's no equipment or space limitations.
Citrus pre-wash is a concentrated formula, which means that it will last a very long time, longer than snow foam. You can dilute it to whatever you need it to dilute to. So for light duty areas such as door shirts, trims, I'd say 1 to 8 parts water, just a light spray really, that's all it needs. For heavy duty areas such as your engine bay, 1 to 2 parts water, or if it's especially greasy, I'd just say neat, just to really, just get the grime off. For general paintwork, I'd say 1 to 4 parts water, just to get that grime off, but somewhere in the middle of light and heavy, medium.
After you've applied the pre-wash, scrub it with an exterior brush to thoroughly clean it in the more awkward parts, for instance the trims and the bays, and then rinse or gently wipe off. But for pre-washing on your paintwork, just spray, let it set for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse.
So citrus pre-wash comes in 500 millilitres and 4 litres, so it's handy to keep at home, if you just want to do a wash on the weekend, you've run out of product, citrus pre-wash is perfect. So goodbye snow foam.